Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So obviously I am not Donna, I am Fred, the husband. Today I thought we could do something a bit different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna surprise Donna. Actually, she just got a promotion at work. I'm super proud of her, super happy, and I just wanted to underline a bit the event. So I bought her a little gift. Actually, we all know she likes jewelry, handbags and stuff like that, so I got her a little surprise, nothing crazy, but just thought I could, surprise her, and it's gonna be fun. So actually, she probably knows I ordered something. I had some trouble with the delivery and everything, so she knows there's something coming, but she doesn't know it's tonight. Actually, she's been asking me all week, like, has it arrived? Has it arrived? I'm like, nope, nothing arrived. So I finished work early today, so I had time to blow all the balloons with my own breath. So I'm kind of out of breath. And so it's gonna be fun, and she should come home pretty soon. Should arrive from here, so we'll wait together, and hopefully you guys like this video. Alright guys, so let's wait for her, shall we? Alright guys, I think she's home. Yeah babe?
What are you doing?
Come here.
Who are you talking to?
I'm just on the phone with my mom.
You're speaking English.
Yeah, it's true, my mom doesn't speak English. Anyway, come in. Who do you think I'm talking to?
I don't know.
Alright guys, I think she's coming.
My friend, it's not my birthday.
What are you talking about?
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to YouTube, to your fans, babe. What is this?
Seriously, what is this?
Yeah, I guess
Who's in the closet?
Nobody's in the closet.
Do I open it?
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet. I can open it.
Yeah.
Does that mean I'm getting another gift for my birthday?
Start by opening this first one.
It looks pretty big, but like that recipe. I see you got a visit from DHL today. Some Cartier. Oh my god, I love it. Guys, it looks like brand new.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's like a little wrist clutch.
It says Cartier inside. Wow. Even comes with an authenticity card.
Yep.
25th of September 1999.
Yeah, it's a vintage piece.
I love it. Thank you.
Yay.
Oh, thank you so much, friend. I love it.
Very good.
Look how cool. Okay guys, so now that I've had a chance to take a closer look at my gift, let me show you what I got. So as you saw, I unboxed a Cartier clutch wristlet bag, and it came in this box, in this red Cartier box, the original box. So you kind of just open it like that. As well, I'm really impressed with everything it came with. It was pre-loved and vintage, so you know, you don't always get the full set. But it came in this Cartier dust bag as well. And here is the bag up close. Honestly, it is in phenomenal condition. The individual who had this bag before me barely used it. The corners are in almost perfect condition, as you can see. And as you can see, it is like a pouch, so it's a clutch. It has no strap to wear over the shoulder, but it's big enough to carry all your daily essentials. There's a lot that does fit in here. You can wear it on your wrist as well, as you can see with this strap. And in the back, we have a pocket. So you can put your cell phone in or whatever documents you carry on a daily basis. I want to show you guys the buckle. As you can see, it's just a silver buckle. It says Cartier engraved in the corner. It's black in color, and it's made of a calf skin, so it's very thick and hard, very stiff, but smooth at the same time. So you open it just by moving this across, and it snaps open like that. You can see it says Cartier Paris inside the bag. And in the interior of the flap, there's a little Cartier symbol in the corner in like a gold color metal. I'm gonna try opening the bag, but like I said, it is a stiff leather, so it's a little bit hard to show the inside. The inside is all in material, and you can't really see on camera. I'm gonna try to get it. Yes, you can see it now. It says Cartier Paris all over the interior. On this little, I can try showing you. I don't think it's gonna work, but it is made in Paris. And as you can see, there is a zipper over here, although it is very thin, so I don't think I'll be using the zipper. I'm probably just gonna slip the authenticity card in this little zipper. So like I mentioned, it also came with the authenticity card, as you can see. And this bag was originally purchased the 25th of September 1999. So for a bag that is 22 years old, it's in mint condition. It also came with a tag. So like I said, the individual who had this before me kept such great care of it. So as you can see, it's the Must de Cartier collection. The exterior is in cowhide leather interior fabric. So I'm also going to keep this in the little zipper pouch at the back. And this was purchased on eBay from a Japanese reseller. I can put all their information in the description box below. But as you can see, there's barely any scratches apart from like little hairlines here that are barely visible. It's in great condition. And it can open fairly wide as well when you fill it. All in all, I'm very excited with this purchase. I can't wait to use it. And the pricing is great. Taxes, after taxes and duties, shipping and everything, it came to under 300 Canadian dollars, which is phenomenal for a bag in this condition with the box, the dust bag, and the authenticity card. You can really find some hidden treasures or great finds on eBay sometimes from these Japanese resellers. Japan in general, they have high standards for their luxury goods. So as soon as it's used or there's a little hairline scratch, they decrease the prices a lot. So you can really find great deals and finds. Like I said, as you can probably see by my reaction at the beginning of the video, I was a little confused. I was so surprised. I didn't really know what was happening. I got this card as well. And Reine du jour just means queen for the day. So cute. And all in all, I'm very happy. Fred is really known for his surprises, but every time he surprises me, I'm taken by surprise, literally, and I have no idea what's happening, but I love the feeling. And I'm just so happy and can't wait to use my new Cartier bag. Picture this with like jeans.
All right, you guys, she's all excited now. She's trying mod shots and everything. She's super into it. So yeah,
so cool.
I lost her there, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you really liked it, consider subscribing to the channel. It would mean the world to me, knowing I could help Donna with the channel. Don't forget also to click that little bell icon to be notified every time Donna uploads a video. And last, give it a thumbs up. It really does help. And I guess Donna will see you in the next one.